To have a tattoo on a body part is easy, but to get rid of it is a different story. In some cases, it's complicated to get a tattoo removed totally. However, some procedures are proven effective and efficient in eliminating tattoos. This video will offer you what you need to know about tattoo removal. What are the methods of tattoo removal? Usually, tattoo ink is injected just below the surface layer of our skin. This is why tattoo removal is not as easy as one matte ink. Common methods of tattoo removal include dermabrasion, laser surgery, and surgical removal. Today, we're going to talk about laser tattoo removal. Dermabrasion is a skin resurfacing method that employs a fast revolving instrument to grind off the outer layer of the skin. Usually, the targeted area is cooled until getting numb. A high-speed rotating device then will send from the outer layer to a deeper layer. The process can kick out the tattoo ink from the skin. This is how tattoo removal is achieved. A treated part may feel pain or become reddish and swollen. After treatment, those symptoms are normal reactions and will vanish within several days. It takes around 3 weeks to get recovered from the procedure. Surgical removal. If you choose surgery, the part with tattoos will have an injection of anesthetic. Then, the skin turns numb. A plastic surgeon will use a scalpel to eliminate the tattoo, and he will stitch the wound afterwards. Usually, they will give you antibacterial ointment to help the wound to get healed. The method is effective and efficient, but it may leave a scar. If you don't want to have a larger scar to be seen, you can only have a smaller tattoo treated with the procedure. Laser surgery. The laser releases single and powerful pulse energy, which effectively treats tattoo removal, like surgical removal. Your skin is numb due to an anesthetic injection. Then, lasers with a strong pulse of energy are used to target a tattoo. It can hit and break the tattoo ink. For the people with multicolored tattoos, laser with various wavelengths may be needed to achieve the goal. In some cases, one may experience swelling and even blistering and bleeding. If so, you can ask them to give you antibacterial ointments, which can promote healing. Some people may need multiple sessions to lighten and remove the tattoo. The procedure is the most used and effective means to remove tattoos. So far, how much do you know about the ways to remove tattoos? Which tattoo ways are you interested in? In the next video, I will focus on laser tattoo removal. Follow us and get more details.